Hello, today we're going to take a look at creating permissions in QxControl. You can see right now we're on the permissions page when you look at the left-hand navigation toolbar. So first, let's take a look at an existing permission so we can understand how this works. A permission is made up of three components. The first is the place, so the scope of where this permission is available and where it can be used. The second is a group. There must be at least one group associated with the permission. And the third component is the schedule that is associated with the permission. So to help us better understand what this means and how we use it, let's start by creating a group. So we're going to create a new group here, and we're going to give it a name. We will call it test, and you can see here very easy to add individual users into this group. We'll just choose a couple here and tell it okay. So we have now created this test group. Now we will go to permissions, and we will create a new permission by choosing add from the floating action button. We'll maintain the same scope, and this will line up well with the users within the group and the schedule that we're going to choose. Next, we're going to select the group. We see we have two groups within our scope currently that are available. Test is the group that we just created, so we're going to select that. So we now have our scope. We now have our group. The last component here is a schedule, and in another video here we've actually created this test schedule, so we will associate that, and we now have the three components that are required. Now that this has been created, what this means is that these users in this group will have access to doors, for example, that are using this schedule.